Stop following me. As Lava Cusco, and I'm as Pacha, and you're as Pacha, I hope.
Yeah.
There. What is your first favorite bird poop?
My first favorite bird poop?
Yes.
I don't know, Tommy. What is your first favorite bird poop?
Seagull.
I mean, I guess that's a good answer. One time I was at Ontario Place when I was a teenager, and a seagull pooped and it landed in my hair. That was my least favorite bird poop. Tommy asked me, what is your first favorite bird poop? I said, I don't know. What is yours? And he said, seagull. What about you? What is your first favorite bird poop?
I don't know.
Sure, you must have one. Everyone has a first favorite.
Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl.
Bird.
Pterodactyl.
It's an extinct bird.
Oh, that's why you like it, because it can never on you. It's funny. What is your first favorite bird poop?
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl?
Yeah.
That's Ian's first favorite. Is a pterodactyl a bird, Tommy? Showing the squirrel catching pole.
Well, we're not talking little red squirrels up in the north. We're talking.
Sorry.
We're talking raccoon-sized black squirrels.
It was big.
It was. Yeah,
Don't
it really
mess
was
with
big.
Tommy.
Well,
He's
let's
got.
let this one
Okay,
escape, so.
I have to tell you guys what Tommy asked everybody while you were gone, so that he can ask you now. Wait, he's going squirrel hunting. I think we've moved on to a new topic. Never mind.
Nice, squirrely. I don't think I was considering switching my sandals. Nice, squirrely.
Nice squirrely?
Yes. What does nice, squirrely mean?
It means, come here, squirrely.
Yes.
Where are you going?
I'm going to catch some squirrels. Nice, pussy.
Are you going to catch a cat?
Pussycat. Did I call? Do we call? Do we? Do I? Nice, pussy, Betsy.
Who's Betsy? Oh, is that a cow?
Cow. Nice squirrely. Well, nice squirrely whirly. Nice squirrely. Nice little squirrely.
Oh, Tommy asked, what is your first favorite bird poop? I don't really have an answer for that.
Well,
I do.
He can't find the squirrel. Tommy goes, I can't find that squirrel.
I can't find that squirrel.
I know how it is, Tommy. I know exactly how it is walking around with that pole.
Turkey vultures and apparently herons are really nasty.
Do we catch turkey vultures and herons?
Maybe.
Yeah.
So Tommy said his favorite was seagull, and Ian said his favorite was pterodactyl because they're extinct, so they can't.
They're also all petrified.
Petrified.
Paul, Tommy was asking everyone, what is your first favorite bird poop?
My first favorite bird poop. I like starling poop because they eat a lot of berries, so it's really colorful.
Starling poop.
See, I knew Paul would have a good answer for that.
Oh,
I
Paul's.
didn't have one. I said I could think of some bad ones, like cormorants.
Yeah.
You think there's a squirrel in there, Tommy?
Yes.
The black run is these ones.
Oh, nothing.
But catching squirrel game.
Second part of this thing
Oh.
where you're hanging upside
What
down
kind of
and
game?
you have to do this weird ass
Squirrel
and there's
catching.
two like little bottle caps and you have to go both
You want to have a squirrel catching
So it's
game?
like
Game.
you're hanging all up.
The whole
Well-
movie started bending.
Well, Villeneuve told me about 4 more are graduating school.
Oh, yes.
More, boy.
Ashford Dodge, Jimmy Greg, and Jimmy Galbraith, and Ian Rush, can you read?
Yes, yes.
Mommy, do it
Oh,
again.
come on, really?
While you're videoing Tommy,
Actually,
Ian
might
does
be in
a
the
chin
background.
up and smashed his head on
On the wall.
This is the nature of
I
video.
think this needs to go into the video.
Can you reenact?
Maybe.
Hey, well, on this one,
It's never going to have the same velocity to it. How hard did you bang?
I don't know, not that hard. Because I only hit my head when I was like, I don't know.
You wanna? I got a.
It's kind of hard.
I got a thingy for
Still
you.
kind of hurt.
And what were you doing?
Like
Show us.
So you actually did a chin up and hit your head on that silver?
I think so.
Wow.
Bye, Uncle Chris. Bye, Cousin Ian. Stay with me.
fun having cousin Ian here?
Yeah. I get the medal and a nice prize after the race today.
How long was the race?
10K.
10 kilometers? Wow.
Thanks.
Yeah, he finished first in his age category.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and
Thanks.
4th overall.
4th overall?
Yeah.
Let who go
Three
first?
guys. 3 men were ahead of Tommy.
3. What are their names?
We can go look at the list online.
Okay.